Hi everyone, it's Christina from boundlessplr. Last night, I was adding a listing to one of my Etsy shops, and it appears that Etsy is testing some new features, and most sellers haven't seen these features yet. The first change I saw was for the category. I'm going to type in social media. And you see, you get these options that automatically populate. Let's do one more. I'm going to type in planners. So you have the items that populate. So let's click planner template. And then you can select what kind of a planner it is, whether it's physical or digital. So there's no more of having to navigate through all of the different nested menu options. Before, you'd have to hit paper and party supplies, then paper, then stationery, then design and templates to just get the templates. Same thing with social media templates. But with this new option, it's just as simple as typing it in. And then if I can spell, and then you get the option. There is another change that I'm equally excited about. You now have the opportunity to add 2 videos to your listings. I did test to see if one video would be with sound and the other without. At this time, at least for my account, it looks like both videos don't have sound, but it does give you an opportunity to showcase 2 different aspects of your product by being able to add 2 videos as well as up to 20 images. Etsy hasn't officially announced these changes. I'm just nosy. So I've been playing around with this today, and I actually searched on Etsy's site and I haven't seen anything about these features, so I'm assuming that they're just testing them. As I said earlier, I do have multiple Etsy shops, and these features are not active in any of my other shops, but they were in this one. So just check your shops to see if you have these options available yet. And if you do, drop a comment so other sellers will know that these options are rolling out. Also, if you don't have them yet, just once again, keep checking, because I'm hopeful that these are 2 updates that Etsy's going to keep and make available to all sellers. Take care. Have a great day. Best wishes.